What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're getting ready to head to Cecil County Dragway, and we're just gonna hang out for today. I really wish I had the car ready and I was able to run. It'd be a perfect night for it. Got some pretty good air moving in, but just gonna hang out, see some cars, talk to some people. I really wish the car had a 26-inch tire on it, and then I would definitely run it at the track. This 28 is really gonna kill me with the stock 342 gears. So eventually I'm going to go to a 315, 3517, Hoosier or Mickey Thompson, one of the two. I had really good experience with them on my yellow C6Z, so I'm going to go back with that tire eventually. But on the way home from the track, I figured I'd go weigh the car with the Welds, see if it made a difference, see if it made it worse, and bring you guys along. So letting the car warm up, and we're going to head out. Alright, just got some gas, and we are out. Beautiful night. God, this thing never gets old. Yeah, absolutely beautiful night out here. Fall's rolling around. It's boost weather, but I ain't got no boost yet, so it still feels good to get out and enjoy it though. Here we are, good old Cecil County. I love this place. Looks like a pretty decent night. guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but just left the track. Good night. Got a little chilly and decided to head on out, but I'm gonna head over to the weigh station and see what this thing weighs. So before we get there, put your guesses down below. Comment down below, let me know what your guess is. Last time with the HREs, it weighed 3,080 pounds. Who knows, these welds might be a little heavier because these aren't the forged ones. These are the RF line, the rotary forged or formed or whatever it is. So I don't know. That's why I'm doing this. We're gonna find out. But yeah, put your comments down below and put your guesses there, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, here we go. We arrived at the scale. Let's see what this thing weighs. It is, guys. All right, guys, so just weighed the car, drove back. Beautiful night tonight, so I decided to do a Dragy hit real quick. Open road, and I got a new personal best. So RPM heads cam package, stock intake manifold, stock throttle body, pump gas. I just went a 6.3, 60 to 130. That's pretty good. I mean, I think it's pretty decent. Still a lot of room left to grow, especially once I get that manifold on here with a bigger throttle body, and really let this thing eat. So I think it'll go 5, 60 to 130. I really do. I really do. So yeah, anyway, enough of that. Here's the car. It is 3,100 pounds. I don't know if you guys can see that. 3,100. So I guess it is a little heavier with the welds. I know that the tires are bigger. The tires are probably, I mean, obviously heavier. The drag radials in the rear. So yeah, I mean, a 20-pound difference. Maybe the scale's acting up, I don't know, but this is a CAT certified scale. It's the one that the tractor trailer drivers use. So they're pretty accurate, they gotta be. So yeah, 3,100 pounds. Not too bad, not too bad, considering my Mustang was about 40, just under 4,200 with me in it. So yeah, these things, that's the beauty of these things. Are very light, aerodynamic, the gearing is great, and they just flat out work. And I just really love the C6 platform. I love Corvettes, still love my Mustangs, don't get me wrong, but these things are just a different animal, different breed. And it's just so crazy that a 2006 is still relevant today. Just blows my mind. But yeah, new Dragy best, new weight on the car with the welds. So that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing crazy. Trying to keep up with the content, but decided to try to make this little video for you guys. But if you guys were close, down in the comments, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, maybe I'll make some more like this. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, hit that like button, and catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.